Okay guys, we're back at it. I've put in my phase limiter, 0-degree phase limiter. Now I'm getting ready to put the actuator back in, but before I do that, I decided to swap out my chain tensioner. I mean, I didn't have to. This car is a little bit under 40,000 miles, but since I'm in it, I figured I might as well. So before I swap it out, I need to remove the two 10mm bolts. Two 10mm bolts here. And just ride that out. Okay, so that's out. Discard that. Now you should know, those who care to do that, care to know this is the part. It's AC Del code part number 126300107. If you can see that, hopefully. And it already comes with two replacement bolts, pin, and everything you need to swap it out. So let me open it up real quick. As you can see, the pin is already, it's still, comes with a pin already in it. So, the service man said we just need to do the left side for right now. Then we put the pin in once we get the cam and all that set in place. We're gonna put the right one in and leave the left one out. So, and just finger tight. There you go. Just finger tight. There we go. All right, so I'll be right back. Let me get the cam, actuator, and go from there. Okay guys, I'm about to get ready to put the cam actuator back on and the chain. But before I do that, let me take off my old cam bolt. I have a replacement. I use this old one here to get the new cam back in. I always want to replace the bolt. Okay. Okay, so I have the actuator here in my hand. You always want to handle this from the gear sprocket, not from the face, not from this. So you want to handle it from the gears here. As you see, I got it in my hand here. But if you notice here, there's see that hole there? That's where the little pin on the camshaft needs to sit inside of this hole here on the back of the cam actuator. So I'm gonna line it up. And then also on the front here, I don't know if you can see that or not, but see that? There's also a little dot on the crank, on the crank sprocket. There's a little dot. We need to line these up. And that dot should be at the 12 o'clock, or the number 1 should be at top dead center. And these two, what we call dot to dot. Dot to dot. And that should tell me about where the camshaft should be. So I'm gonna try to line these up, get the cam in the position before I try to put the chain on. Yeah. It might take me a few tries to get it lined up. Let me pull it out a little bit. There you go. So got the chain on now. So it's gonna probably take me a couple of tries to get this thing lined up with the chain on it. Trying to get dot to dot. So try to pull this out. And I'll line it up here and then try to go straight back with it. Don't tell me I'm that lucky. Don't tell me I'm that lucky, man. Gotta get the damn. Yeah. Well, I think I got lucky. I think I got lucky on that one, guys. Ooh, I got lucky. I got lucky. Shit. Make sure you dot the dot. Put your shoes deep because I heard it click in. It's off just a hair. I have to fix that. One, two, four. So I need to get that back right. Wasn't that lucky? We getting it. We close. Like I said, you're not gonna get this on the first try. If you is, you should pat yourself on the back. You get it on the first try, pat yourself on the back. down a little bit. All right, let's try this again. Dot to dot. I was off 1, 2. 1, 2 ball. All right, let me pull this sprocket out. You see, get the dots to dot. See, I'm off already. The chain move. Okay. I got my finger to try to line it up. No, I'm not holding it by the little front there. Got it on the sides. And then look at that, see what that look like. That's it. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, baby. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Dot to dot. Let me take it down there just in case y'all don't believe it, brother. I'm gonna give you proof. I ain't out here making no fake ass videos, baby. Let me get my shit set up here. Excuse the camera roll. Let's see if you can see that. Hold on. God damn it. 1 second. The camera all fucked up. Put this down. No editing. Let me see if I can get my shit adjusted. Bear with me. Bear with me. What you see there, baby? Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. Yeah, took me, what, 3 tries? But I'm dot to dot. As you see there, I ain't gonna get no better than that. Dot to dot.